2025, the Volvo FH16 750 XXL continues to define what a flagship heavy-duty truck should be, blending brute strength with luxury and cutting-edge technology. Standing tall with its commanding presence, the FH16 750 XXL is built for those who demand both power and comfort on the longest hauls. The exterior immediately sets a bold tone with aerodynamic lines, a massive grille carrying the Volvo emblem with pride, and LED matrix headlights that not only look futuristic but also ensure perfect visibility in every condition. The XXL cab design is unmistakable, spacious, imposing, and designed with driver comfort at its core. Inside the cabin, Volvo has elevated the driving experience to a whole new level. The XXL sleeper cab offers more room than any other in its class, with an extended interior that feels more like a moving luxury suite than a truck cab. The premium seats are ergonomically sculpted, covered in fine materials, and provide heating, ventilation, and full adjustability. The dashboard is digital, sleek, and intelligently laid out, with a high-resolution driver display that integrates navigation, vehicle performance data, and advanced safety features in real time. Ambient lighting adds a touch of elegance, while smart storage compartments and a full-size bed transform long-distance travel into something far more comfortable. Under the hood, the FH16 750 XXL is powered by Volvo's most potent engine, a 16.1-liter powerhouse delivering 750 horsepower with staggering torque that makes even the heaviest loads feel effortless. Paired with the I-Shift automated gearbox, the truck shifts with absolute precision, maximizing both performance and fuel efficiency. On the road, it delivers commanding acceleration and stability, with Volvo's dynamic steering ensuring fatigue-free driving even on winding routes. Safety remains at the forefront, with advanced driver assistance systems, lane-keeping support, collision mitigation, and adaptive cruise control that make this truck as secure as it is powerful. The Volvo FH16 750 XXL is more than just a truck. It's a statement of engineering excellence and a symbol of luxury and long-haul trucking. Designed for operators who want the very best, it combines unmatched strength, Scandinavian comfort, and state-of-the-art technology in one extraordinary machine. In 2025, it stands not just as a workhorse, but as the pinnacle of trucking, innovation, and prestige.